I want to address the issue of a young Jamaican lady, young girl, whose hair, it is alleged, was forcibly cut by security forces, or so the allegations go. I've been following this story very closely, and yesterday I met with the Commissioner of Police and inquired of the status of the investigations that are ongoing. The Commissioner and I are of the same view, that in post-independence Jamaica, we should not be having this kind of conversation about people's hair choices and whether or not the state has any right to cut someone's hair. It is totally against what we believe in as Jamaicans, and I want to place that on the record. And I've asked the Commissioner to put the full investigative force at his disposal to find out whether or not there were any administrative breaches and any criminal breaches at play. There are issues as well as to how our citizens are treated when they are in custody, and we want to know if anybody's rights would have been abused.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!